DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? Yeah, you don't know what time it is, man. The dad is back in the lab. Yeah, man, when we in the lab, we are doing crazy reactions, crazy bangers. You already know what time it is, man. The bangers pound our head top. Yeah, man, today we're there with none other than Depression King himself, still, you know. Yeah, dancehall therapist himself. Yeah, man, we're there with none other than Mr. Hillside. Yeah, man, we're there with 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, the one named ATL. Check it out and see what I deal with. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, very talented, one of the best lyricists, best poet, best storytellers, one of the best dancehall artists in a dancehall. You see me, I say, no jokes, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿 is definitely one of the goats, bro. You see me, dog definitely came and solidified himself in dancehall, and lot of young youths look up to him. A lot of people use his music for stress relief. You see me, I say, and vibes too. Don't get it wrong. You see me, I say, but yeah, man. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐿, they with a new track, they want them ATL. We'll check it out and see what I deal with. Don't know, gang, we're not going to hold up the vibe much longer. You see me, before we jump in the chat, make sure you like and subscribe button on the road to 10K, man. We hitting that shit before the end of the year, gang. You see me? This is our year, man. We're not playing with them, man. So we're not hold up the vibes much longer. Jump right in that track. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓, ATL, let's get it. Come on.
Really would but we reach out for Fred. But bitch, why rip off me shot? Don't put no phone light pan, we call with dog. Yeah. ATL. Big energy.
Bokla, me like the vibes of this, you know. What? Come machine! Yeah, man, machine, and them there the props, brother. Bokla, you got the mini Draco. You see me? You got the hand. You got the whole. Hey, me now. You got the easy.
And marks like said the you train for the war like Russia and Ukraine. Get the message we now for use them. But no house middle day too.
Yeah, man, Georgia is a gun set off. Hey, boy.
From a summer that the killer mood change. How much bro, man, I see I want spot enough. I'ma kick up on a man a Hong Kong. Give me a 15 right on my foot. The 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 like
Easy!
Architect for the crime with the plan. Me attack 6 pants with the double jump on. Grassy water, we push the drugs, man. We are search for the key and nothing on sound. Yeah, one bag of money, we not afraid for spend. One bag of talk, we not afraid for them. One bag of rifle, like ATL. Suck your mind if you don't wait with them. YGI, we know I'm shaky friend. One bag of rifle, like
ATL. One bag of rifle, like ATL. Yeah, when you think of joking, that is a gun stateless like Florida and a better. Fuck around, be a rifle there more. Hey, there's an average of what? 10 gun per house? Come in, man. He's on this have to take from top, man. You have to take this on top. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐿, but they know the state, man. State mad, state crazy dog. You to them, man, be a rifle like dog foot, man. Come in.
YGI, really would but we reach out for Fred. But bitch, why rip off me
Easy.
Put no phone
The girl them carry gun to the fuck around, boy, hey.
we call with dog.
NPT, no pussy test, straight.
ATL. Big
Lord, no fuck around, you got a long time, make sure you have it pan you, no boy. Hey. Man got the LMR in their hand, brother. Hey!
Like pool paint and marks like said the you train for the war like Russia and Ukraine. Get the message we now for use them. Bun down a house middle day too.
Man say get the message we now for use name. Bun down a house middle day. Hey boy.
From the same murder the killer mood change.
I say murder killer mood change, you know, bro. Yeah, man, I be a hey.
How much bro, man, I see I want spot enough. I'ma kick up on a man a Hong Kong. Give me a 15 right on my foot. The 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎��� Architect for the crime with the plan.
15 that foot. The 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 boy, no hey boy.
6 pants with the double jump on. Grassy water, we push it drugs.
Man got the air.
Search for the key and nothing on sound. Yeah, one bag of money, we not afraid for spend. One bag of talk, we not afraid for them.
One bag of bomba money we not afraid to spend. One bag of talk we not afraid of them. One bag of rifle there ATL. Hey boy, don't we can circle ends right now, my youth, and flick your butt.
Suck your mouth if you don't rate with
Suck your mother.
Why GI we know have shake your friend.
No shake.
One bag of rifle of ATL. Man up on it, you love me. Me clip a say true like panoramic. Oh, you ring someone panoramic.
Man a panic, gyal vomit. The clip see through like panoramic. Hey boy. Come in. No sir.
Chunk of the front gun in the bonnet. Clip full of dollar kind and the family wallet.
Yeah.
Got throat, head not up on the body. And the more not up on the planet. Evil you fuck and God know who no believe we are so way ends that we are fine reason for God. Who say them I'm beefy?
Evil you fuck. Now we do not believe it. We don't give a fuck. Let's see me I said. I'll find out the hard way. Come in.
Chunk of the front gun in the bonnet. Clip full of dollar kind
And them wallet.
Got throat, head not up on the body. And the more not up on the planet. Evil you fuck and God know who no believe we are so we are fine reason for God. Who say them want beef we are season down. Feel if we just till you see the G them.
Oh, I'm beef. Right season it up, man. Yeah, man, well seasoned down like a go bumbuckler roast some beef on here, boy. Tia, man, come here.
Mine easily fuck run. Wild badness stress on no how to my dog, them it easy you fuck. Yeah. One bag of money, we not afraid to spend. One bag of talk, we not afraid for them. One bag of rifle like
ATL.
Suck your mouth if you don't rate with it. Why GI we know have shake your friend.
Suck your mother if you not rate you. I don't feel like when a big friend out here, no brother. When I not shake your friend around here. You see me suck a boy there. Suck your mother if you not rate you. You see me Dan Mafia. Yeah, if a boy not rate you, tell him go suck them man. Straight.
Why GI really would but we reach out for friend.
Yeah.
Bad bitch want rip off me shine. Don't put no phone light pan. We call with dog. ATL.
Why GR real youth but rich off a fraud, brother. One bag of bad bitch want rich off a job. Hey, easy now, man.
Energy.
Bumbukla. LMG that in a boy.
Want a new career?
The nigga all jump, boy get shaky. Boy get Gigi. Boy get Gigi in that video. Watch ya. Rifle or clock, boy get afraid, boy. Let me hear Virgin about it. Watch ya.
Energy.
Boy get Gigi. Watch ya. And then your Virgin beat it. And you know to. And you afraid so. Imagine some unknown man so clap it off of your bum, boy. What you that do? You that tear down fence. Tear down wall, brother. Take your road for yourself. So you go, bro, after you're in a hand, brother. You must take for yourself, dog. I want to you. After you're not bulletproof. I'm not wrong, yo. You see me as a gang, but I don't think about the one in the comment section. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 ATL. Buckley. Look there, man. The man got the mini Draco, he got the AR-15, he got the LMG. Oh, man. You see me? This is a handgun in one of them little things that they extend there. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up the dog. Hey, big up the dog there, man. ATL, I don't know if you play with, man. Georgia, I don't know if you play with. America, I don't know if you play with. Florida, Miami. You see me, bro? I don't know if you play with. Real talk. More gun there than people. Let me tell you that. Tell her that. Hey, anyway, gang, we know nothing about the one here. In the comment section, if you like it, they've got to show the artist on love and support. You can also say the dancing, you see me? I say, yeah, man. Be a banger spawn head top like nothing no change, gang. You see me? We going live in about like 5-10 minutes, gang. So look out for that. You already know what time it is, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Wow.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.